Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw data from OpenAI Assistants into Google Sheets step by step clearly. Open your Google Sheets document where you want to import your data. Go to the Extensions menu at the top of the page. Select App Script from the drop-down menu. In the App Script editor, delete any code that appears by default. Copy and paste the following code snippet into the editor. Function fetch data, const URL equals your underscore OpenAI underscore API underscore ENDPOINT, const response equals URL fetch app.fetch, URL, method, get, headers, authorization, bearer your underscore API, replace your underscore API underscore key with your OpenAI API key. Click on the disk icon or file and select Save to save the script. You can name the project as you like, for example, OpenAI Data Fetch. Close the App Script editor to return to your Google Sheets document. Back in your sheet, select the cell where you want the data to appear. Enter the formula equals fetch data in that cell. Press Enter to execute the function. The data from OpenAI Assistant should now appear in your selected cell. If you see an error, check your API key and endpoint for accuracy. You can format or manipulate the data in Google Sheets as needed. That's how you withdraw data from OpenAI Assistants into Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.